Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the voice of your Google Gemini application in your Android or if you're using an iPhone. So first you just need to open your Gemini application. To change the voice you need to go to settings, so go to the profile icon in the top right corner, tap on it, then open the settings. Then here you'll find the option called Gemini's voice, tap on it. Now you can swipe left to right, choose the
Feel free.
voice.
Remember, you can always switch voices later. I'm ready to talk whenever you are.
If you're curious about the other voices, swipe to explore, or pick me to start talking.
And you can also listen to the review of the voice. If you're using an iPhone, you will have a select option in the right corner, or if you're using Android phone, just swipe and listen to the voice
It's lovely to meet you.
that you like, and it will be automatically selected on your Gemini voice. So you just need to go back to the settings again and the voice will be changed. So that's it guys, this is how you can change the voice of your Google Gemini application. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.